Find or read reviews that people are talking about ASUS 27-inch 1080p eye care monitor. Short call is ASUS VY279HF. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Viewing perfection. Expanded vision with 178 degrees IPS wide viewing angle panel, giving consistent, accurate color at any viewing angle to minimize the color shift and grant a better viewing experience. Eye care, ultra-low blue light technology. Reduces the amount of potentially harmful blue light emitted by the display. 4 different filter settings are available to control the amount of blue light reduction. Eye care, flicker-free technology. Reduces flicker to minimize eye strain for improved comfort when you're embroiled in long gaming sessions. Eye Care Plus, Eye Check. Provides 3 different patterns for a convenient eye check via the monitor hotkey to check for long/short-sightedness by Snellen chart, astigmatism by radial chart, and macular degeneration using the Ambler grid. Eye Care Plus, Color Augmentation. With the color augmentation mode enabled, users can customize 4 different colors to improve the viewing experience and clearly distinguish between colors. Eye Care Plus, Rest Reminder. To prevent users from suffering eye fatigue, Rest Reminder serves as a reminder to the user to take a brief rest from the screen. 100 Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology for smooth visuals. A 100 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond moving picture response time or short call is, MPRT, help reduce smearing and motion blur. Making VY279HF perfect for fast-paced games that require quick reactions to what's happening on the screen. In addition, adaptive sync technology helps eliminate screen tearing and choppy frame rates for ultra-smooth gameplay. Game Plus technology. Co-developed with pro gamers to offer in-game enhancements that help you get more out of your game. These tools allow gamers to practice and improve on their gaming skills. Robust connectivity and ergonomic tilt. Connects to HDMI 1.4 and has an ergonomic tilt so you can easily find your ideal viewing position. The display is also VESA compatible for wall mounting. Overview: ASUS VY279HF eye care monitor is designed with your health in mind. It features ASUS Eye Care Plus technology, a proprietary long-lasting antibacterial treatment on the bezels and hotkeys, and an advanced IPS Full HD panel that delivers exceptional visuals. Ideal for e-learning, work or entertainment, the combination of a 100 Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology ensures you'll enjoy consistently smooth visuals with any content. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.